If your TV remote just broke, one of the buttons doesn't work, I'll show you how to take it apart and fix it. They used to put screws in these things, but now they don't. For easier production, they just snap them together. So you can use something like this bread tie to split the two parts in half. Then you can scrub down the contacts inside to get your remote working again. Getting it apart is easier said than done. Insert the bread tie into any place that you can get it into. Then start rolling it and working it in. Eventually, you'll be able to find the snaps and start pulling it apart. So here's the first snap. This one's always the most difficult. Then just keep spinning that bread tie. You'll work your way all the way around the seam. Now, it's not a bad idea to take out the batteries. With the contacts freed up, you'll be able to get this out a little easier. Now that we're all the way around, just unsnap it. We can pull out the circuit board, and with some rubbing alcohol, go ahead and get things cleaned up. Cleaning up these pads is usually all it takes to fix these remotes. Now you can put things back together and you're back in business. Now everything goes together a lot easier than it did coming apart. Just press all the snaps back in. One snap at a time, it'll all click back together. So if you're wondering how one of these comes apart, now you know. This one's a Samsung, but there's a lot of them that work the same way. Well, check out some of my other Rumble videos. Thanks for watching.